National Unity Platform yalonda muganda w'omugenzi Helen Nakimuli amanyikibwa nga Irene okudda mu kifo kya mutowe era ono yaweebwa kadi wabula okusinzira gwe tufuna omukyalo ono avuddeyo n'ategeeza nti aba NRM kyandibadde kyamagezi nnyo singa temwetantala kujja mu kalulu kano because alabika nga agenda bakuba akalulu n'enkoona enyo okusinzira gamawuli agava ku ground abantu b'e Kalangala abali mu nnaku ey'ekitalo bali ready and willing okulonda oyo National Unity Platform gwe yawadde kadi okudda mu bifo by'omugenzi Helen Nakimuli. Bwati muganda w'omugenzi era yawereddwa kadi bwe yayogedde ng'ategeeza aba NRM. Katukomewo after this. Please don't just watch, subscribe, share the video and tap the notification bell.
Thank you to the Electoral Commission, to the leadership of National Unity Platform, and to the people of Kalangala district. My name is Nampala Irene. I received this flag not as myself, no, but as a sister to Honorable Nakimuli Helen, the late. Nakimuli prioritized Kalangala so much. Mbasaba mbaniriza mwenna abazze wano mu kitundu kino olwaleero. Mbaniriza mwenna ababaddewo ku lwaffe. I have accepted what is being offered to me. You're welcome.
Yatukamba yakiriza. I do and she does. So I have that singular honor to hand over to you and also to flag you officially. Banakalangala, Tuli Kumite, and congratulations. This is our symbol. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Irene Jakusawo Ogene Munteyo. Congratulations, Nampala Irene. Congratulations, EMC. Congratulations, Kalangala. Tubayoza okufuna omubaka omukyala owa district eyo. Yes, I am now inviting the Deputy President. Oh, Irene, that you should come and take a picture with the leadership. And the next members present. So kafune ekifaananyi n'abakulembeze abaliwo including the National Executive Committee. Tubayozayoza abaana Kalangala, tubayozayoza abakyala mwenna abeesimbawo, tubasaba tukwatagane tulabe nga Irene tumutuusa ku ki Buwanguzi kulyengedde.
Madam Teacher aliwa Honorable Betty Nambuze bakireke. Anto yagenda kumumentalinga. Era mukwasiza ne Chief Mobilizer wa Buganda gwe bayita Honorable Nabatanzi Farida wamu ne Ssaabakunzi waffe ne nakulembera abakyala mu kibiina ki NUP n'abakyala tumubakwasiza abamawulire kabakube ekifaananyi ekyo kale abakulu ba president mukwate mukimuwe bulungi nnyo. They should all hold with her. Naye akwateko Madam Teacher sobola okumbadeno zijja kubeera kumpi mukwase bulungi nnyo umbrella y'ekibiina. People power, our power. Kunga Kalangala kunga Kalangala kunga Kalangala kunga. Bana mwe bali ddala. katika sabe ababadde besimbe naye abatalina omutima omubi bajje nabo bakuba akafaananyi naye bamukwase flag eno. Ab'omutima omulungi abadde besimbe naye mukiraba solidarity ya NUP people power. Banange nyabo ndowooza okiraba abantu bonna bonna bakusanyukidde. Bakusanyukidde. Tubasaba mukwatagane naye. This is amazing. Maybe I'm really okay. Kale abo bonna babadde besimbe nabo kino ekifaananyi kyabyafaayo. Mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala. Tangu wano sigala woyimirizawo wakati w'abaana
jukira motive kya okijukira.
Kale people power, our power, women power. Kunga nachi mulipunga. Mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala.
Punga Kalangala punga. Kale tweyanzege. And I want to invite people power, our power. I want to invite the Deputy President, Eastern Region, Honorable Nambeshe, who will then invite the President, Madam Lina Zimbiga. Thank you very much.
Nange nva mugamba.
Acting President of National Unity Platform, the entire leadership in your respective capacities, ladies and gentlemen. Let me commence by giving gratitude and appreciation to my party, National Unity Platform, for the confidence and the trust to have given me the new. And let me make a total commitment as I pledge to advance the ideals and objectives of our party, but also the needs and the interests of our people. Because you know the cardinal role that we that have been assigned in this position is to hold this government. The cardinal role is to hold this government to account. And the past is so far so good. I can see the formidable team is well able to discharge that role. Madam President, we are hard pressed by time. I would like to use this opportunity that the remaining time for colleagues, members of Parliament, because we do not have Fungua Barabara these days, at least the Honorable Lord would lead us very fast to Parliament. I would advise that as soon as the President concludes her speech, we rush by whatever means, including the quickest if it is border anyway, so that you are in the house in good time. With those few remarks, allow me, with all humility, to invite the Deputy President, Northern, the acting President of the National Unity Platform, to come and address the gathering.
People power, our power, people power, our power, NUP, and everywhere. Thank you so much. I want to congratulate the Secretary General for working and making us work 24 hours, not even 12. Thank you so much. I don't take that for granted. Back to back and making sure we're all here. His Excellency, the de facto and jure President of the Republic of Uganda, His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Obini, the entire National Unity Platform, NEC here present, in your various capacities and identities, the members of parliament present, I know you're already sitting on needles, so I'm going to be very brief. You need to be going to represent the constituency and also NUP interests. The candidates for NUP flag bearership and our flag bearer, Honorable Nampala Irene. The media present here, the foot soldiers, and all who are following us online, I salute you in a special way today. We have had 2 milestones. We had our maiden and neck meeting very successfully. Thank you. We have started yet another journey. The members of parliament, those with aspirations, who wanted and offered themselves for some positions, kindly note these positions are extra responsibilities in solidarity. It's a service. And those who got it today, it's a test. We just gave you a short rope. You will either hang yourself with it, or you will manage to deliver in the best interest of the people of Uganda. Our ultimate victory still holds in balance. With all those responsibilities, every step is about reclaiming our stolen victory. I want to congratulate those who have been nominated and appointed in those various offices. And those who had expectations, you know you are in the next. You know even being a member of parliament is so busy enough. Please, Temuniga, say that, you know, I have these expectations that I know you will not. Because you know there are more responsibilities that are going to come. There are also still more positions that, for example, the shadow ministers and deputies. These were just the skeleton. So I want to congratulate you all. And as you go to that parliament, it looks scary. But my take is, when fear opens the door, send hope, send courage, send unity. United we stand, and divided we will fall. Stand in solidarity. Stand in solidarity. Avoid drama and outrageous presence. Avoid it. We are not there for drama. We are there to deliver. And we are watching. Every single minute. We are watching. You'd rather be silent than come out in an outrageous, dramatic place. Because each time you make a move, see the face of Rita. Let her go with you. Yeah, we're not there to act. We are not there to act. We're there to deliver. And we're delivering on the blood and sweat of our colleagues. We're delivering on the denied victory of our president. We are delivering on the denied success and victory of many of your colleagues. So you do not have time to have drama. Tuliba nyivu. Go and deliver. Now we're munyivu. As we continue to reclaim. We are watching. We are also encouraging each one of you. Where you know you need some support, get to us. Where you know you're about to slide, get to us. We have the mobilization team also still here. And please, do not forget the foot soldiers. Do not forget our team here in the secretariat who did everything possible, including risking their lives. Don't forget them. Don't. You are called upon, I will be leaving to go to Kalangala. The first 100 days in the office, I will be seeing and noticing and calling upon you. This is not blackmail. This is solidarity. And this is also a presidential call and directive that we can do it together. So I want to congratulate you and thank you so much. Kalangala, Honorable Irene, Jangu. I congratulate you. From here, the government is going to be there with our from here I'm coming with my overall, okay? Because we are going to be jumping from one island to another. I am coming. And I want to thank your father in a special way. The entire Orthodox community, you requested us to be very conscious. And we have responded. Kalangala has responded. And now we call upon all of you to come and campaign as we retain our seat for Kalangala. The entire women team here present, we call upon you to be in solidarity. Because her winning is also your winning. I was in Rome and I was told, why are you asking the intercession of the matters here? Uganda matters are the best because they are 22 plus. Why am I asking for other foot soldiers when her teammates, the running mates, are right here? So, I want to congratulate each one of you and implore you that we rally with and beside Honorable Irene. And knowing the 5 years are not very, very long. So let us build it together. Let us reclaim our seat from Kalangala together. And let the soul of your beloved sister, that powerful woman, even in her death, rise. Stay with us because she has a legacy that she set, and we must respond and keep that legacy alive. And you are running it for her and for your colleagues and for the people of Kalangala. Thank you very much and congratulations as we come for your nomination. Okay? Yes. So finally, we are running still on the theme keeping hope alive. Our team members in their thousands are in prison all over. Not only Lucira, they are all over. We continue to demand for their immediate release. We continue to demand for justice. We continue to demand what of oppression they are putting to us. Even the ways that we were oppressed in terms of our connections, in terms even of facilitate, in terms of whatever we like to do. Let that end. Prison is for criminals or at least genuine suspects. But these trumped up charges, let the state attorneys think with their heart. We are calling upon the state attorneys and also the judicial officers to listen to the call of the retired Justice Egonda Ntende, have a conscience. Have a conscience. We're also calling upon the families. Mubere Gumite. We have not forgotten anybody that is paying or has paid the price through their denied freedom. We are with you in solidarity. It is not done until it is done. We are calling upon the state to make sure the jail reforms are released. We also demand for the immediate return of our president unconditionally. Stop the continued abductions and threats. I want to thank the EMC. Tuchali Kumite. Parliamentarians, we will be coming and will be following you, and as you go and celebrate also your win. Celebrate your win within all the operations. I say all this because I believe in people power, people power, people power. When the struggle is over, we shall wear the victor's crown. We shall wear the victor's crown. We shall wear the victor's crown. When the struggle is over, we shall wear the victor's crown in a new Uganda.
Olutalo ngaluwedde tuliyambale ngule, tuliyambale ngule, tuliyambale ngule. Olutalo ngaluwedde tuliyambale ngule, tulizimba Uganda. People power, our power. Kunga Kalangala kunga, kunga Nampala kunga, kunga Parliament kunga, kunga wakulembeze mukunge. Ra, sha, sha. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. This is the end of the press conference. Mukamala.